Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to do an SEO in Odoo. Let's get started. First, go to odoo.com and log in your account. This section will lead you to your dashboard where you will click on the website option. In this new page containing your website, locate the tab in your website where you want to add an SEO form. And for our example, we are going to use this Marketing 101 tab right here. So in this tab, click on Site from the navigation menu. Then click Optimize SEO from the drop-down menu. And this pop-up will appear. Start optimizing your SEO by putting in a title, then type a description about your tab, and after that, make a custom URL. You can also add keywords to make it easier to find, and then you should choose the language you prefer, and lastly, upload an image for your logo. Once you're done, just click on Save down here to save your changes. And that is how you can do an SEO in Odoo. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.